your girl Receivers coming at you with another video. Before we get started, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend and tell another friend, tell somebody else and a mama, because we lady over here. And without further ado, y'all, I will be doing an unboxing, designer dupe. Fortunately, I can't link it down below, but definitely use your words on AliExpress. Search like luxury bag, designer luxury, luxury designer bag, handbag, purse, all of that. So I want to pull up. Okay. So I want to keep that to the side because I want to make sure I'm saying the name right. So y'all, here is the bag right here. So we're going to. Oh, y'all, I hit my nail earlier and it's sore. So y'all, this is the bag. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Let's get into it. And I already know what bag this is. So y'all, I seen this bag and thought it was so stinking cute. And y'all, hold on, don't get me saying it wrong. This is the JPG shoulder Birkin. This was created by or named after Jean Paul Gaultier. The Hermes bag. So this is basically, I guess there was a point in time where, or I'm not sure if it still is, I'm not sure, but Birkin was coming out with like half of a Birkin, but that was the style that they were going for. So y'all, I thought this was so cute in this tan color. Definitely get into it. We have the guard. What look like it's a spot right here. Gold hardware, and y'all see that spot? Hold on. See, I came prepared. I got some baby wipes. Let me see if that comes off. Oh my gosh, what is this? Oh, and it's not coming off. I don't know what that is. It's okay. I'll use a pom-pom or some type of, y'all know me, charm or something. But yeah, it came with that little blue stain. I'm not sure. I might try to use, because I got these industrial wipes that I purchased off of Amazon. They work like wonders. So I'm going to try to use that on this. But other than that, let's just get into it. So the bottom part is the gold feet. Top part, gold hardware. And I thought this was so cute in this color. And it did come with like this part crease. That's okay because I usually stuff my bags. So, and it comes with the little, hold on, y'all, it's a gnat in here. Is it almost time for gnats to go? Like, really? Y'all, it's like every time I come in the house, a gnat come in with me, I just feel like, because that's one thing, I don't play about trash or dishes. I don't play about none of that. But yeah, let's get into this. So that, the little turn locket. This one, it doesn't have Hermes up here, which would be usually up there. It doesn't have that, but that's okay. This one did come with like a twill. And I thought that was so cute. It came with its own twill. And this is an orange, but y'all know me. I'm going to use my own thing. I believe the Hermes bags don't come with... or do this one come with a top handle strap? Okay, no, so not even the real one come with a top handle strap. But that's fine, but I thought this was so cute. And the inside, it's stuffed with tissue. But I just thought this was so cute. And that's how it looked in the inside. And I just thought this was so cute. So it's basically just a half bag, but it's like a long version. So cute. So stinking cute. And this little tan color. And y'all, I just had to unbox this and show y'all. But hopefully y'all enjoy this little short unboxing. And I hope to see you guys on the next one. Y'all, I just had to come back. I'm so tripping. I was looking at the wrong thing. But there is a JPG Birkin bag. But this was a dupe of the Kelly. I forgot I didn't get the Birkin bag dupe. I got the Kelly dupe. So that's what this is, a dupe of the Kelly bag. So it's definitely a little bit bigger than the usual Kellys you see, because those bags are like pretty small. So yes, this is in the taupe color JPG Kelly bag. And yeah, taupe. So that's the one. So it's the Kelly bag, not the Birkin, the Kelly. But they're both by the same company. But this is just a dupe. See you guys on the next one.